Hello, everybody. Good night. How are you today? I'm sorry, my voice is not good, and that mean I hope all of you is very well, whatever we are. Di bagian tugas 2, I'm sorry, my voice is not good, but I hope all of you understand what I mean. Di bagian tugas 2, kita diminta di bagian pertama membuat 3 contoh aktivitas yang sedang dilakukan. Buat dalam bahasa Inggris. Dengan kata lain menggunakan verb ing. Saya ambil contohnya ya, 3 contoh. I'm watching movie or I am watching drama. And the second, I'm cooking. Maybe cooking bread. And the third, I'm playing games. Dan di bagian kedua, aktivitas yang telah selesai dilakukan. I have watched a movie. I have cook bread. I have play games. Jadi di situ menggunakan kata yang setelah selesai dilakukan. Bagian yang ketiga, kita lanjut lagi aktivitas yang sedang dan telah dilakukan. Jadi menggunakan kalimat have been. For the example, the first I have been watch movie, or I have been watch drama. And the second, I have been cook. I have been cooking bread maybe. And the third, I have been playing games. Jadi yang pertama itu I have been watching, I have been cooking, dan I have been playing. Jadi dia karena aktivitasnya sedang dan telah dilakukan, ada tambahan have been and tetap pakai verb ing. Dan yang bagian keempat menggunakan how much and how many. For the example, the first, how much watch movie? Atau how many watch drama have? How much ya? How many, how much? And the second, how much cook bread or vegetable? And the third, how many play games? Dan kemudian di bagian yang kelima perbandingan dan superlatif. Ya, seperti kayak panduan. Jadi dia membuat satu kalimat perbandingan dan satu kalimat superlatif berdasarkan situasi berikut. For the example, my children, the first is 5 years old, and the second 4 years old, and for kalimat kooperatif, the second is older than first. My children, the second is older than first. And for superlative, my children, the first is oldest among the second. Maybe like that for the example. And for bagian 6, part 6, yaitu membuat dialog pasar tradisional. Mungkin antara customer and penjual ya. Maybe for the example like that. Excuse me, how much is the maybe oil? How much is oil? How much is this oil? Jadi kalau kita pergi ke toko penjualnya, mungkin untuk contohnya oil, or maybe for the example water. How much is this water? Maybe kayak gitu lah ya customernya. And buat penjualnya menjawabnya, it is 500. And customernya mungkin tanya, how many do you have a bottle water? Dan penjual mungkin jawabnya 10 for the example ya, 10 bottle. And customer ya tawar, can you give me a discount if I buy 10 bottle water? Dan penjual jawab, sure, I can give you a discount. It will be maybe tadi 500 and sekarang 400 for 10 bottles. Ya, itu mungkin contohnya untuk sesi 1 bagi part 1 until part 6. I hope all of you understand what I mean, and I'm very sorry for my voice is not good. Thank you for watching. Good night and see you.